Alright, decent for we the people. Storm watching. Trying to get a little visual before see some of this lightning going on, and I love it. Before it really comes down on me. Look at that, gorgeous. Got to love Mother Nature. Mean and loving. She interferes in a lot of people's lives, but mostly saves. She saves more lives than she ever takes. And to be honest, I'm not really in the best position with this lightning going on around me. Look at that. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Alright, so to get an idea where I'm at, again, we're in the Abilene area. The lightning you're seeing right now is, from where I'm at, is on northeast of Abilene. Okay? That little light over there, Abilene. See them two little dots? That's Abilene over there. And that's our school with them lights. But right on the other side of them lights is the Interstate 20. Okay? So I'm facing north with all them lights right there. And I'm facing west where that dot is towards Abilene. So I'm east of Abilene. Look at that. Just gorgeous. Now, the low pressure came in from the south and the high pressure came through and is running into the south pressure. So the high is running into the low, which is causing all this. I'm just joking, y'all. I don't know. I used to know, but I really don't know anymore. I'm just kind of making it halfway funny. I can tell you with the temperature we had today, we could actually have rotation in here somewhere. I haven't heard if there's any. I don't see any. This may be the case of just a simple thunderstorm. But looking at our weather, the humidity and all that, it can very well come into some type of tornado watch if we're not already in it. That much I do know. But the way everything's looking at this point, what I can see, it's dark, y'all, is that it's more of a thunderstorm than anything else. And the lightning's not really happening often enough for me to really see the clouds up there, to see any type of circulation or anything. And again, the way the lightning is shining, you know, you got all that breakage up in there. Look at that, man, that was right above me too. Ooh. Now, if you've seen a couple of my videos, oh, you know I love that. I love that sound. Oh my God. Mother Nature coming alive. Letting her presence be known. I am here. And some people don't get excited. And I get excited. I'll tell you a story. Many moons ago, in Oklahoma, I parked by a building. Struck it, and I was right next to it, and it was a closed down truck stop, is what it was, to get me a good night's sleep because I was exhausted. and it hit that building. I jumped up about 100 foot up in the air, and I made it to my destination. I could not go back to sleeping. It scared that pea dollies out of me. It got my blood circulating, my adrenaline up and rolling, and off the highway I went, trucking on down the road. I've seen a few tornadoes in my time, and I guess this is the reason why I'm recording it now. It's because, man, I've seen some pretty sights out there and never recorded it. Loved it, never recorded it, and probably should have. But we're in a day and age now that is more acceptable now that you can record these things. And it looks like a little rain is starting to come down on me. And this is the reason why I was wanting to get some of this lightning going on before it came down and making it hard on me. Uh-oh. Let's see if I can hide in the car a little bit. I don't mind getting wet. Oh my God. Love that. Good girl. Lord have mercy. Woo! Man, that's a good looking sound. I hope you guys are enjoying this just as much as I am. I kind of got my trunk on the car open where I'm not getting rained on right now, and hopefully be able to catch some more before it get wet. I don't have waterproof phone. Hopefully you guys are not getting dizzy from me moving around a lot. But yeah. See all that up there. It's pretty much all around me. This is about the best visual I can get right now where I'm located at. See that right there is above me. Trying to look up there and trying not to get my phone wet is kind of hard because it's right above me. I may have to film the rest of this in the car because it may be coming on down here pretty quick on me. Man, love it. And to be honest, I'm not really in a safe spot to be doing this. I should be kind of up in shelter somewhere. Gorgeous. Come on, mother. Complain at us, bitch at us. Let us know you're here. Do that big old pop in the sky. I'm still getting the best on this side. Again, that's right above me. I'm kind of underneath my door of my trunk. And I'm trying to get pictures of it above me. Woo! Come on, mama, yell at me. I've been a bad boy. Yell at me. can hear that wind whistling up there. Right above me. Shouldn't do too much, I'll get my camera wet. Again, I really don't see any rotation. Maybe with the lightning you guys may see something over there. I'm more looking at the camera than anything, and I shouldn't be. Can't tell if that's a rotation or not. Come on, lightning. Yeah, it looks like a small circulation there, but can't tell. It is dark out here, y'all. If I review the camera, maybe I can see it a little bit better, but kind of looks like there's a small one right over there, but don't look like anything major. Oh, well, no, it disappeared. So even if it was one, it kind of just sucked up. Eee, that's gorgeous. Right above me. Directly up into the sky. What do you guys think? Should I go up the road a little bit and see what's going on? There's a car coming. Now the rain is coming really west. So I'm actually in a safe dry spot right now because the rain is going opposite from where my car is facing right now. But once I leave my car section, well, you can't see it in there. Again, them dots, I'm facing west. Alright, so that's the direction the rain's actually running, is west. So I'm not getting wet where I'm at right now, but it's hitting my windshield and all that pretty good. Jeez. We're getting a lot of lightning out of this one. Still not seeing a lot of rotation, or what I call the wave of lightning streams. I don't see a whole lot of that. And I really like that. It just kind of goes in the sky, stays up in the sky, and just creates a wave through there. It looks more like it's going downwards than spreading itself out through the sky. Lord have mercy. Well, I think I'm going to call this good here. I'm fixing to get wet. Maybe to make another video, part 2.